Hi everybody, today I'm going to review an item that I think is pretty much essential to anybody, which is a heat glue gun. And most of my life I've actually had this little tiny one that it worked. You know, it's only 15 watts and you would buy these little mini sticks. But I got fed up of these sticks don't have a lot of material in them and you just go through and run through them. So I decided to get one of those bigger ones, which I had that too, but I moved and I lost it. And anyway, bought this thing and now I'm reviewing it. Now what I was looking for is something that's high in wattage so that it could heat it fast and you could just keep on going if you wanted to. If you wanted to push through a lot of material, you could. I was looking for one that has a nice defined tip. And while I was looking, I also noticed that they have adjustable temperature. So I said, hey, this fits the bill, and it was dirt cheap. So I ordered it. It came in this packaging. It does say that it's 100 watts, which is nice. We're going to test that out. From my experience so far from using it, it only peaks at 100 watts or close to 100 watts. Very little, but it does reach close to 100 watts, but usually it hovers around 20 to 40 watts. In the back, they tell you what are the right temperatures for the different types of sticks. You got the yellow, milky, and transparent. I'm going to use the transparent ones. And so I set it up to the highest temperature. And that's about it. What you do need to do is let it preheat for about 5 minutes. And then you can go to town with this. Now, why do you need a heat glue gun? It really is great. You can bond so many things with it. Really, the possibilities are endless. And because it's a high temp type of glue, the only thing that would unstick it is high temperature. So it's very easily malleable, and you could even wet your finger and, you know, shape it if you want. If you get burnt, not my fault. It's still wicked hot, but you know, it's possible. You could also use tools to shape it if you wanted to. So anyway, in this test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. We're going to see how much wattage it consumes. And we're going to also see what kind of paste you can squeeze the material out of it. It's very comfortable. I had no problem using it. I think it's great. You got a light indicator here when it's plugged in. And obviously, like I said, you got the temperature control here. The nozzle is also replaceable, and you could put different types of nozzles if you want to. So let me plug it in and look right here. We're going to see it fluctuating, 85, 95. So very close to 100. But like I said, it doesn't stay in that area. It just peaks to that and then goes kind of down. So I'm going to put a little timer here. So I'll come back in 5 minutes and we're going to test it. You really do have to let it warm up. All right, so that was about 5 minutes. As you can see, the wattage dropped to about 26, 27 watts. And I wanted to show you also how hot this actually gets. This is cool to the touch all over. There's really, even the tip is not that warm. But the element is right here. So as it pushes it out, this element will get hot. So let's do the first test. I'm going to, this is collapsible, so you can put it right here. Doesn't matter. But let's see how much we can get out of it. I still think that I'm gonna get another one of these. By the way, these are excellent. I'm gonna put in a link to the product page for these, the 50 glue sticks. They're excellent. So the flow is pretty good. And let me demonstrate what kind of malleability these things have. So I'm gonna spread it with this. So as you can see, you could bond some stuff together and spread it to make it nice and smooth if you wanted to. Now this will peel away when it cools down. I hope. No, it will. It probably will. But anyway, I think this is a good product for the price. Excellent. One more thing I wanted to mention is that there's another power indicator in the thermostat. So right here and in the back. This must have cost them more money, just adding another LED. It may be pennies or maybe just a penny, but everything adds up. And I'm going to link this product in the description, and you're going to see how cheap this is. It's almost unbelievable they can manufacture these things for this cheap. So anyway, it gets a thumbs up for me. Actually 2 thumbs up for me, because for the price this is unbeatable. And that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comment box below. Please thumb up, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye. Peel away. Peel away. Should have let it dry a little more.